Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the wiper blades on my 2022 Hyundai Palisade. So we're going to be replacing them with these rainx conventional. You can see this C26. This is just one blade that comes in the pack. The 26 inch, this one goes on the driver's side. And then the other one, the C20, that stands for 20 inch, and that goes on the passenger side. So before you even start, you need to lift the blades up. On this car, they don't just lift straight up. You need to first turn on the car. Okay, and then turn it right back off and push this up. And then you're gonna see the blades lift up and they stay up. So now we'll get into how to change them out. Okay, so you can see we've got the new ones right here. Passenger side, driver's side. So to remove this one, there's a little tab in here. We're gonna press that in this way. Push straight down. Okay. Take our new one. We're gonna flip it like this so that that tab is right here. And then we're just gonna open it up. Slide it in. Like so. Push it straight up. And that's all there is to it. And then when you want to remove it, you just lift it like that, pull down. Just make sure that's pushed up all the way. Okay, there's one side. Other side again. Press this button down, push down. New one. Here's our tab. Go straight up. Okay, and you can see when it's down like that, you can't push it down. Yeah, guys, that's it. Okay, guys, so we got them installed. Now we're going to start the car back up. And then just press this in this way to initiate the wiper blades. Make sure there's no streaks, make sure they're operating fine. You know, you're not hearing any crazy noises coming off it like scratching or anything. And yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up this video on how to change out the wiper blades on this 2022 Hyundai Palisade. Be sure to give this video a like if it helped you out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out all of my other tool and DIY videos. I'm also going to be making a video on how to change the battery in this, and then also how to change out the brakes because this is due for some service. So yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe, check out those videos. I hope this helped you. Thanks. We'll see you next time.